So we're kicking this week off 154.8. So much pressure to get down to 152. Yeah, today is Sunday, June 21st, and today's lunch is gonna be vegetarian sausage pasta. Well, sausage pasta. I'm just using vegetarian sausage, and I'm gonna add mushrooms and peppers and all of that good stuff. So yeah, and it's spicy, and this is the portion. So because I am obsessed with my weight, I am going to put my scale in my vehicle. There's my scale in my Jeep. Weaning ourselves off of the addiction of stepping on the scale. And then next morning, you heat it up. I added brown sugar. You can add any sweetener. And this is it. I also added like a tablespoon of water. Yep. You can eat it cold as well, but I like to warm it up. And that's my breakfast. After today, this would be the longest that I've done this program. Yeah, this would be day 15. It's always on, or maybe I think it's day 16 actually. Yes, after tomorrow, that would have been the longest that I've done this program from. So let's cross my fingers to make sure that we make it at least to day 30. For lunch today, I have leftovers from yesterday. Vegan sausage pasta. If you want to see how I made it, you can go to my IGTV to see the recipe. I'll have it there. To give you a realistic idea of how much I actually ate, like that is what I left over. I think the oats kept me, so I'm trying not to overeat. And yeah, and I'm drinking a lot of water. I think today I'm only going to drink water. I usually drink water, but if there's passion fruit juice in the fridge, I'll drink passion fruit juice. But today I'm going to mainly just drink water. So yeah, yep, I'm gonna drink that water. The Sahara dust is thick today. This shirt never used to fit me. Well, it stopped fitting me when I came back from work after being on maternity leave for 3 months. It was tight because I was still breastfeeding, and now my boobs are gone. Does anyone have any tips on how to get back your breast? This is a 911 emergency. Nikita needs her breast back. No, for real though. Drop like your recommendations for lifting the breastises, please. Look at the Saharan dust. Wow. It's like fog. In the week of my skincare, this is what happens. I can't go outside. So it's Tuesday and I just finished my workout. Last night so much things happened that I was unable to do my skincare routine. So hopefully today I'm going to get that done. Yeah, today I'm going to show my skincare routine. I didn't get everything from the store, so I would have to reorder some of the products that I usually use because they're not in stock here, and they may not reach here until probably a month. So because everything is backed up because of the pandemic. So yeah, that's just what's going on today. Today's Tuesday, June 23rd. So much is happening today. but this is lunch. So much is happening today, but this is lunch. I have couscous and vegan sausage again, in a different style though. So with red onions, pepper, bell peppers, yeah. And that literally took me 15 minutes to do. And that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. I might have a salad. Later on, but let's see. For dinner, we have broccoli, salmon, and a salad. Dinner. Craving calamari. I am at work and super stressed out. I haven't been vlogging as much because so much is happening at work. But I'm still trying to eat healthy. I had fried calamari yesterday and I'm the same weight, and today is Thursday, so I don't know if I'm gonna lose any weight for this week. Yes, I'm vlogging and you're interrupted. So yeah.
Nikita trying to get back pretty. I don't eat no more.
But yeah, so that's what's happening this week. Again, I'm going to try and do my skincare routine. Continue it, but I'm supposed to meet the dermatologist next week, which is Dr. Shakima. Okay,